Yeah, guys. In this particular example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an array list. I'm going to add the elements. I'm going to perform the changes on that particular element, removing, retrieving. So I'm going to perform all the operations on this particular array list. So array list is available under the util package. That's what I'm importing this util package. I'm taking class next main method. Here, this is, you can see, I'm creating an array list. Now, I'm adding four elements to the array list. So array is the object of array list. I added four elements by using the add method. Apple, mango, banana, grapes. These are the four elements which are added to the array list. Now, after this, what I'm doing, I'm going to display the elements which are there in the array list, right? Just I am calling the object so that all the elements which are there in that particular object will be displayed. Sir, if I want to remove an element, you can call the remove method on that particular object. Which element you want to remove, you need to pass that element. You can delete the element or you can delete a element which is there in a particular position, right? Then I am displaying it again. Sir, I want to find the size. You can call the size function, right? Sir, is there any other way to retrieve the elements from this collection framework? Beta, you have the three interfaces, that is iterator, list iterator, and enumerator. These are the three interfaces. By using these three interfaces, you can access the elements from the collection, right? Iterator, which is used to retrieve the elements in the forward direction, whereas list iterator, which is used to get the elements in the forward direction as well as backward direction, whereas enumerator, which is used to access the elements in the random manner. This is the difference between the three interfaces. Iterator, only it can get the elements in the forward direction. List iterator in both directions, forward direction as well as backward direction. Enumerator, by using this, we can access the elements in the random manner, right? Now, here, what I'm trying to do, sir, I want to retrieve the elements by using this iterator interface. Yes, we can do it. What I'm doing, just I'm creating an object to the iterator interface, or you can say reference variable. So from this object, I want to get all the elements. That's what I'm applying the iterator method, which is there under the iterator interface. So this is the reference variable to this iterator interface. So by using that, if you want to know the class of it, just call the get class method, right? It will give you where it is exactly, right? And whether it is belongings to the collection interface or whether it is belongings to iterator interface or something else, that will be displayed very clearly. Next, what I'm doing, I'm applying the while loop. So I want to get the elements one by one. First, before getting the element, I need to know whether the element is there or not. You can find whether the element is available in the iterator or not. If it is there, then we can get it. So that's what first I want to find it.hash next. If we have the element, then I want to get the element by using next method. What I can do, I can get it and I can display it. So once after displaying, the again loop will be repeated. Again, I will check whether the element is available or not. If it is there, then I will display it. So this procedure will repeat until we get all the elements from the reference variable, right? This is how I am going to display all the elements of the array list, right? Now we will see the execution of this. Here guys, you can see the output here. First, I'm running this. So we are added four elements, then we deleted two and I'm displayed. I'm finding the size. So I'm finding where is this iterator, right? It is displaying. Then we are displaying all the elements by using this iterator interface. This is all about your array list. Now we are going to discuss about the linked list beta. Now coming to this linked list, basically this is also a predefined class that is also implementing this collection interface. It is also using this double linked list. Internally, it is using double linked list to store the elements, right? It can store duplicate elements, right? As usual, uh, how we discussed in array list, it is also used to store the duplicate elements, and it also maintains the insertion order. And this is also not synchronized. That means you can access the elements in the random manner, right? Sir, then what is the difference between the array list and linked list? Beta, in linked list, the manipulation is very fast because no shiftings are required in the linked list. Whereas in array list, we there the shiftings are required because of the manipulation. Whenever the array list size is grown up, then what will happen automatically? We need to shift the existing elements, then we need to add a new element. But here there that is not required. Shiftings are not required. That's what the manipulation is very fast in the linked list. That is only the difference between the array list and the linked list. Now we will see the implementation of this linked list. Yeah, guys, whatever the points I discussed, I covered here. You just refer it. It is also predefined class. We can create object to this linked list. If you want to add the element, you can use add method. If you want to remove the first element, then you should use remove first. You can remove first element as well as last element. For that, we have the special methods, remove first and remove last, because first is containing attached with the head node, the last is the tail node which do not have the next node. So that's what they are given, remove first and remove last. If you want to remove the in between, then you can use remove method by specifying the position. Right. So I want to change the element, then you can use set method to replace the element in the existing position. Right. These are all the different methods which are there in the linked list. Now we will see the example of the linked list. Yeah, guys, I'm not taking the normal example. Here, what I'm doing, I'm taking a small application to elaborate this linked list. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a linked list, right? There, I'm adding the different countries like America, India, Sri Lanka. These are all added to the linked list. Then I'm displaying the linked list, right? After this, as we discussed, you can read the data from keyboard by using the scanner class, or you can use either input stream reader and buffer reader. By using this also, you can read the data from the keyboard, right? So this we are going to cover in the streams. I'm not going to cover now. As of now, you can replace this particular statements with the scanner class. By using scanner class, we can read the data from keyboard. I covered in the previous sessions. Just go back and refer the scanner class if you are not covered this, right? So by using this buffer reader and input stream reader, what I want from the user is I want the element. If you want to insert an element, which element you want to insert, or in which position you want to insert, right? What are all the operations which you can perform here is you can insert an element, right? You can delete an element, you can change an element, and if you want to exit, you can exit. These are all the options I want to provide to the user, right? So same option menu I am creating here. Now, if you see here, by using while I'm creating a menu, right? If your choice less than 4, that means 1 is for insertion, 2 for remove, 3 for exit. If your choice is 4, 4 less than 4, condition false, straight away I'm coming out of the block. That's it, right? So I'm asking the user to enter your choice. You are going to enter the choice, right? That I am reading by using this readline method. I'm converting it into integer and I'm storing it in the choice variable. Now, the choice I am passing to the switch case. If your choice is 1, I'm going to execute the case 1. If your choice is 2, I'm going to execute the case 2, like that, right? Let us assume, sir, my choice is 1. 1 is related to insert, right? I'm asking the user to enter element, right? You are entering something like Pakistan. Sir, in which position you want to insert? I want to insert at second position, right? That position I'm reading, I'm storing it in the position variable. So the element is Pakistan. The position is second position. So what I'm doing in linked list, ll dot, I'm adding a element in second position, which element that is Pakistan. This is how I'm going to insert an element into the linked list. Same way, let's say for example, sir, I want to perform the remove operation. I want to delete an element from the linked list. Then you will choose the choice as 2. Then I'm asking which position element you want to remove. Let's say third position element. I'm reading, I'm passing that position to the remove method. so that it will remove from the linked list, right? No, sir, I want to perform the, I want to change the element, right? Then we use this case 3, right? If you are passing 3 means I want to change the element. So I'm asking the user, enter new element. Let's say I want to enter Sri Lanka, right? In which position you want to add Sri Lanka? I want to add Sri Lanka at 4th position, right? So set 4th position, that is Sri Lanka, right? This is how I'm going to add the element to the 4th position. Now, once it is done, after performing every operation, what I'm doing, I'm calling the break. Then you can come out of the switch, right? So every time what I'm doing, after returning the linked list, again I'm repeating the choice. Which operation do you want to perform? Either 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are pressing 4, will comes out of the while, then main method, then class. This is how we are going to perform the linked list operation. Now, I will execute this. Please just observe. So this is the way. First we inserted some elements like America, India, Sri Lanka, Australia, and England. Linked list operations I am displaying. One, I am choosing insertion operation. Enter element Pakistan. Enter position, second position. So here in the second position, Pakistan is inserted. Sir, I want to remove. Enter your choice to enter position. Which position? I want to remove third position element. Now you can see earlier we have Sri Lanka in the third position. That is deleted from the list, right? Deleted from the linked list. Now I am choosing choice as 3. Enter new element. Which element you want to change? So that is, I want to insert Sri Lanka in which position? Second position. Now Pakistan is insert replaced with the Sri Lanka. If you are pressing 4, 4 less than 4, condition false becomes out of it. This is how we can implement the linked list, guys. Right? Chalo, thank you.